welcome back. Happy Thursday. It's Thursday today. I have big plans today. Whether or not they'll come to fruition, I don't know, but I am hoping to kind of work on the chicken coop. It's mostly done. The basics of it is done. It's outside. There's some things that we need to do yet. Gracie's chasing cats. But I would love to get the chickens out of their current coop sooner rather than later. So I think I might work on that a little bit. Try to make like a little outside run for them. We plan to make a more permanent structure at some point, but I think for the summer, like they'll be fine without a roof over their head, like outside at least. So anyways, oh my God, Gracie is going nuts. Now she's chasing birds. Anyways, yeah, that's what's on my agenda today. But before we get into that, I gotta feed calves. So let's go do that. It is supposed to storm this afternoon and get colder again. These are some sweet looking clouds, but we'll see. Actually had hail. Not very long, like maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes of it, but it was a little bit bigger than pea size. It was quite large, for us at least. Thankfully it didn't do any damage. We don't have any crops planted yet or anything like that, so we're all good here, but we could do without the hail today again, or any severe weather for that matter, because I don't really want to deal with it. Silly. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh. Hello. You want pirate? Don't get stuck. Oh, are you trying to play? Here, I'm trying to protect you. I love goats. I don't think we'll do anything with them besides have them as pets, but they're just so fun. Okay, so Pirate and Flower, our two little goats, are gonna I'll be outside a lot today, so I'm just gonna let them free range a little bit. Cutie, our bigger goat, she's around somewhere. I actually only have 2 calves on milk bottles right now. Tiger, who was with Sassy, he's kind of started to wean himself. Like in the morning, he doesn't really like to drink. So, yeah, he's gonna start weaning himself, which is fine. He's a big boy. He's doing really well. Somehow a chicken got in the milk house. So I'm gonna deal with that. Okay, please exit. Thank you. Goodbye. Wanna go in the chicken coop? No? Okay, goodbye. Good morning, Tiger. How you doing? I didn't make you milk because you didn't drink it yesterday, so it is what it is, man. Yeah. Hi, pretty girl. Here's what you're looking for. Oh, yes. Okay. Hold on before you hurt me. Let's put it in here. There we go. What your baby's doing? Outside? Huh? Are they playing outside? Gracie, you always want to be the star, don't you? Mm-hmm. You just wanted to show everyone how cute the piggies are when they eat. Just wanted to show everyone. Oh, that's some good water. Funny because they always act like they're parched, but it's because they spill their water everywhere because they're dirty. Anyways, they've got fresh feed and water. Tiger's got fresh feed and water and a little bit of hay for that developing rumen. Sassy's got fresh grain and water. She's got fresh grain and hay. She's got water outside. So everyone back in this little nook is done. I don't know about anyone else, but I am like a squirrel when I do chores. I have a hard time like completing a task because I am like, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that. So I'm just trying to stick to it because I want to finish chores so that I can start working on the chicken stuff. And the chickens keep looking at me like they want to go outside, but they have to wait. They have to wait. What are you doing in here now? Huh, mustache? I haven't had a monster in a while, which also could explain why I'm like running 18 million miles an hour. I love it. I'll still never have as much energy as that one. Ready? Ready? Where are we going? What do you think, Pirate? Find some new friends? Did you find new friends? Some good water, Tater? I don't want to brag, but I didn't overfill it for once. I brag. So I'm basically just scavenging the shed to find what I can use. This, I think, will work. Obviously, it's not very tall. You'll see my plans, but I just gotta get it out. But also, I just keep walking into spider webs. And if you don't know me very well, I don't like spiders, so this is taking a lot for me, but we'll get it out. I found like 2 rolls of this. We had this around like when I was gardening, when we had a big garden, when I thought I had free time. We just had this around to kind of keep, I don't know, some creatures out. I don't really think it worked, but it's what it is. It's been chilling in our shed for a while. So what I'm gonna do, I'm almost down here, but we've got like a little pasture that is halfway fenced off, and it's just got cattle panels. So my thought is, with the panels, if I just put this on the bottom, like the chickens, some of the chickens will still be able to get out. I'm not really too worried about that, but I think our newer chickens, they'll probably just be like happy to be outside here. So I think I'm just gonna make a small little run, and then I'll have to somehow make it so that they have like a little pathway to get into the coop at night. We still haven't put the automatic door in, so they'll probably just have to go through the front door for a little bit. But yeah, if I can get this semi squared away, these chickens will be happy for a long time. So I think, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I don't know how yet, but that's what we're gonna do. The rain is coming. It's a lot. It's heavy rain too, so I think we're gonna wrap it up before I get wet out here. I didn't really make much progress, but I made a little progress, so we'll catch you guys later. And yeah, we'll see how this works out. I do need to go spray my boots off now, though. Be too muddy.
2,000 years later.
It wasn't a good productive day like I had hoped. Inside, maybe I had a bunch of candles made and jars prepped and stuff for candles, but not outside. See Gracie chasing the goat. Yeah, we had some rain on and off, and then the wind really picked up, and just wasn't a day that you wanted to spend outside. So I did get these little chicks moved out of their little brooder box. I made them into a bigger area. We have another group of chicks that'll be hatching in a little over a week. So I'll get this box cleaned out, and then when those hatch, they can go in here. But these guys were just getting a little too big for the box. They were making a mess of their water and stuff like that. So now they can kind of explore a little bit more and have more room. Yeah, you can see, like, those are the ones that we hatched. We hatched, I think, 7 on our own. That one, I'm pretty sure, is a rooster already. Yeah, you. And then, like, the gray ones and those smaller ones, those are all ones that we purchased. And then we still have our little quail. He's running around somewhere. He's been doing really good, but just one lone quail. So, yeah, I guess it was a semi-productive day after all. Judy, go get the eggs. That's the person I wanted to see.
Oh, did you get some?
Good job.
Hold it.
Put the other one in. Good job. Look at all those, Joe. Thank you. Whoa. Finding some, Joe? Thank you. Good one. Thank you.
Don't lock up the house.
Maybe. Do you have anything to say to the vlog before we say bye? Like what?
Hey, have a good night. Nah, no, you got
Say
it,
bye.
bud.
Why are you so dirty?
Thank you, chicken.
Thank you, chicken. Good words. Jack, can you say bye?
Bye.
Good job. Gotta find somewhere to hide out of the wind quick. Oh, Judy came to say bye. Alright, pretty boring vlog, not gonna lie. I was hoping to have more chicken fun stuff to watch, but it is what it is. We're spring in Wisconsin, so everything's unpredictable. But maybe this weekend we'll have some more exciting things happen. Yeah, I'm just gonna post this anyways, because why not? Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love if you did that. And go ahead and give us a little like, maybe a comment. Yeah, that's all I got. I'm gonna go in the warm house. I have to record a podcast tonight. If you didn't know, my friend Amber and I, she is a cranberry grower in Wisconsin. We have a podcast. It's called the Forward Farming Podcast, and it's a weekly podcast, comes out every Tuesday. We talk about cranberries, about cows, about motherhood, life, everything in between. We also frequently have guests on, which are incredible guests. Anywhere from other farmers to Wisconsin companies. We really love to spread the good word about agriculture and Wisconsin and all the things. So if you're a podcast person, go check out Forward Farming Podcast. You can actually find us on YouTube too. Amber she has Starlink internet now, so she's been uploading some prior podcasts to our podcast page. But yeah, go give us a listen and say hi over there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.